Hey guys, welcome back in Mu Sigma classes, and in this lecture we are going to discuss like how we can implement the rotate image view using animation in React Native. Okay, so as you can see over on this screen, we have this example, and this example we are going to implement by React Native. So let's get started. Okay, so basically in this first we need to import React from React and some most important thing we need to import from React Native package. The first thing is the style sheet. We need the style sheet. Another one view and animated and image timing now. Okay, cool. Export default. We need to make it class. We can say the name of the class is app. We can extend some properties from the component, or directly we can import like react dot component. Cool. C should be capital. Perfect. Okay, fine. We need to make a constructor over here, pass as a props here, and we can pass like super. We can pass props this dot state, or we can make some state called like some name. Suppose that we can use the name called rotate or value. Okay, so this name is perfect, and we can make new animated. We can use the animated dot value, and we can pass the default value as a 0. Okay, perfect. So we can use component did mount, and inside the component did mount we need to call a function which basically rotate again and again of that image. So this, and we can suggest a name called start image rotation, something name or function we can call like this. Copy this function and just make another function like this. This dot this one rotate value, and this value we are going to set a value is defaultly 0. Okay, perfect. And we need to use animated. Then we have another function, it is called timing. In this timing function we need to pass that value, actually this value. So we just need to pass like this dot rotate value, and in the another parameter it will be the object kind of, and in that object kind of value we need to pass the value like in the form of key and value pair, right? We need to pass it like key and value pair. So we have two values, something called key, and we need to pass one. Okay, we need to pass the duration. It can be something called 3000 of millisecond. Okay, fair enough. For timing now we fair, this is fair enough. Okay, then after we need to start this. Okay, so we need to pass a start function over here, and just what we need to do, we need to make it an arrow function over here, and this dot again we need to call this function. So this is the function, this is the function name you can see over here. We need to call this like this. That's it. I hope you understand my point, what exactly I am trying to do here, right? Okay, this is the function, that's it actually we need to do here. Okay, then we need to have here we have a render, and then inside the render we have return symbol. Okay, so we need to make a view. Firstly we need to make a view. So view, and here this is the end of view, Okay, we need to pass some kind of a style. Okay, we can use inline function, inline styling over here, so that we can just ignore timing now style sheet over here. We can pass flex1 and timing now to show you like the entire area is capturing by the view or not. So I'm giving the color is green, and let me just show you, this is the entire area, this is capturing by this view. Okay, so I'm going to give the color is white. Perfect. Okay, now I need to use another view, or it is called like image view. I need to use the animated image. I can't use the image only, image view. I need to use animated dot image view. Okay, so that I can perform my animation over on this image. Cool. Okay, so let me just close this, or it can self close like this. Okay, perfect. And we need to pass the style. Okay, so we can pass the width, let's say something called 250, or width or height, let's say called 250. Okay, perfect. And also we need to pass this transformation. This will basically rotate our the image, right? This will rotate the image. This is the very important key, transform. Okay, you need to remember this. Inside this is the actual type, and we need to pass rotate, and the exact rotate what the data we actually getting. So because we have not any kind of actual amount of data, right time we have, so we need to make it right. So what we can do, so let's say inside the render I'm making another kind of rotate data. Okay, so this dot we need to take care of this value, this dot rotate value. Okay, so this will do what, this will take care that value, and we need to interpolate with some of range. It is called like input range. We can give it like let's say 0 to 1. Okay, this is ideal. And we can give it like output range. Okay, in this range we can pass the degrees like from the initial to the final. So I need to make it like rotate in the 360 degree, so I need to pass like 0 degree to 360 degree like this. Perfect. Cool, nothing else, you just need to pass it like rotate data here. Perfect. Okay, then after we have another parameter, it is called like source, where we need to pass the URI of the image, source, sorry, source. And here if we are passing the URI, then we need to make another curly braces here, two curly braces over here, and then we pass like we need to pass the URI like this. Okay, so let's say Safari, I'm going to open the Safari and just typing here mu sigma classes image, just image copy address like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me just see this. Okay, now you can see this logo actually is rotating, but this is you can see at some of time it is just stop and then again rotate, right? So what we need to actually implement, it continuous rotate, not stop, right? So what we need to do, we need to take at a property like here, it is called firstly we need to take it in between of the screen, in the center of the screen. So what we need to do, just sorry, just to take the property as it called justify content center. Sorry. Center line item, it should center. Perfect. Now this is in the center, right? And just take it, the height is 450 or 450. Oh, sorry, 450. It's so big. 350 and 350. Okay, perfect. Let me just make it 250 or 250 only. Okay, it's perfect. Now it's perfect. So 250, 250. Okay, this is moving, but we need to continuous it should continuous move and move. They should not stop like this. Okay, so we need to take care another property here. It is called erasing. Okay, and we need to import this erasing from here also. Erasing. Okay, copy paste, and then we need to give the properties linear. Just it, you can see now this is not going to be stopped like the previous. Perfect. I think this is working fine. Okay, so this is all about like type of TikTok. When you are going to TikTok, and then you will find another the what I can say, I don't have an exact word actually. Something it is moving continuously here. Okay, where I'm showing my cursor, right? So this is how we can implement like this. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. और कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये चीज़ इंप्लीमेंट करने को मिलेगा आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स में, तो आप इस तरीके से कर सकते हो. आई होप आपको सारी चीज़ें अंडरस्टैंड हो चुकी होंगी. तो थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.